right, so now I'm going to be doing the passenger side, and as you can see, my passenger side is all torn up too. And then I'm going to be doing the backs too, and it's the same thing, it's all torn up, and it'll be the same process. You just pop these open. Give me a second. It's pretty simple. Just pop it. So if you need to, you can use a tool, but or you can just break it right off. Oh, there you go. Yeah, and it comes pretty right off. I mean, you don't need it anymore, so just tear it off. And there you go. So that's how you would take out the driver's side and a passenger side, and then you just install the new one. Take this.